Wesley, I'm looking for you. Where are you? Are you outside? Oh, come on, Wesley. Stop hiding from us. Wesley. Wesley. Are you up on the ladders? You're not up in the ceiling, are you? Oh, where are you, Wesley? Where are you? Wesley, are you down here? Wesley? Wesley? Wesley, are you down here? Are you, have you seen Wesley? Haven't seen Wesley anywhere. Still looking for him. Wesley? Wesley? Are you in here? Nope. All right. I'll keep looking for you. Wesley? Oh, come on. The children are going to be at school soon. Where are you? Have y'all seen Wesley?
No, we haven't.
Oh, I'm looking all over for him.
No, sorry.
I haven't seen him yet at all.
Oh dear. No, he'll be hiding somewhere, I'm sure.
Thank you. Wesley. Not in here. Oh, come on, Wesley. Are you out there on the playground? Miss Terry.
Hello.
Hello, have you seen Wesley?
Oh, no, I haven't. I've no idea where he is.
Oh, I'm trying to find him.
Oh, well, I wonder where he can be.
Don't know. Wesley! 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 Have you seen Wesley?
No, not in here, Mrs. Briggs.
You sure?
Yeah, really?
Santa said he was going to be checking in on the children, but I can't seem to find him.
I'll have a good look for you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Wesley! Wesley! Have you seen Wesley?
No, we haven't, Mrs. Prince, no.
Not this morning.
Still looking for him. Mr. Whiteside, have you seen Wesley?
No, I've not seen Wesley.
Oh.
He might be up, he might be near my office.
Well, can you tell him when you see him to come to my office, please?
I will do, Miss Prince.
Wesley, are you in here? Are you hiding? Wesley, are you down here? Have you come to my office? Wesley, are you in here? I'm looking all over the school for you. Where are you? Oh, you wanted to start assembly without me again. Wesley, you know we do this together. We do it together. Hi, children, give me 1 second. I need to get myself sorted so we can start our assembly. Whew, there, now I think I'm settled, Wesley. It is so good to see you here today, Wesley. We've been looking for you, haven't we, children? I went all over the school. I asked lots of teachers, where's Wesley? Has anyone seen Wesley? And here you are. Well, it looks like you did have a little bit of an adventure over this week and that you have been checking up on our children. Have you seen a lot of really good work, Wesley? Oh, I'm so excited. Were you excited to see everyone? Yes, yes. Now, I did hear that the children have been doing a great job, and I'm so glad you're here today so that we can read out the awards. Yes, we got loads of awards. We have the Going for Gold, just like we had last year, so just so you know. And then we also have this year, the Year of Being Healthy, Mind and Body. Oh yes, it is a good award to give out, and I can't wait to give it to all the children. Now, Wesley, can you just go sit over there for me, and I'll give out the awards, and then we'll talk to the children afterwards? All right, so, okay, Wesley, go put over here. Great, thank you. All right, children, how exciting. I'm so excited. I finally see Wesley. Now, the first awards we're going to give out is the Going for Gold Awards. Are you ready? Fantastic. First, we have in Leeds class, we have Harper CD for when getting her coat on to go out to play, she said coat. And for Isla for not showing her feelings of disappointment for not being an angel. In York class, we have Connor for brilliant writing when labeling Santa, and Olivia for great improvement when writing her name. In Hall class, we have Zara for fantastic work on subtraction in maths this week. Also, we have Nevaeh for writing notes and messages all by herself in the mark making area. In Nottingham class, we have Naima for having a positive attitude towards some tricky task this week, and SJ for always being ready to listen and learn. In Liverpool, we have Katie W for trying really hard in maths lessons, and we have Daisy G for super effort when reading real and nonsense words. In Cardiff class, we have Lacey for trying hard in maths lessons, and also Daisy for excellent work in maths. She's even had a go at subtraction of 100s and 10s. We have Edinburgh class where we have Kyle for an improvement in handwriting since September, and Dorsey for her kindness during play, identifying children who needed support and offering to play with them. We have in Cambridge class Ava for working hard all week and making good choices, and George for designing and making a shadoof. He really thought about the structure. In Lincoln class, we have Jessica M for showing perseverance and a positive outlook in English and maths, for blowing Mrs. McFarlane away in the memory game. We also have Addison S for super group work this week. In Oxford class, we have Lacey for trying hard to improve her vocabulary and sentence structures in her English work, and all of Year 6 for their enthusiasm and fantastic DT skills when making their shadoofs. In Lincoln class, we have Leah for fantastic work in maths this week. What a star! And in Chester class, we have Jake for excellent attitude in learning and resilience when accessing Oxford class. Well done to all the children. Excellent, excellent. Now we have the Year of Being Healthy awards. First, we have Leeds class, and we have Aaron for always drinking his milk, and Jensen for knowing what we need to drink water every day. In York class, we have Harper for being able to fasten her coat independently, and Daniel for persevering when making a calendar. In Hall class, we have Henry for listening so well to the school nurse and knowing about when we need to wash our hands. Also Samuel for knowing that certain songs are his favorite and enjoying listening and dancing to them. In Nottingham, we have Reuben for having a positive mindset towards all of his work, and Violet for trying to eat all of her lunch at lunchtime. In Liverpool class, we have Julia for having a positive attitude towards all of her work. And Grace for always seeing the best in every person. In Cardiff class, we have Joshua for great contributions in the dental hygiene talk, and Adam for keeping active at break times. In Edinburgh class, we have Scylla for thoughtful discussions and understanding of fairness and fair trade, and Lucas for working hard to improve his fitness during the daily mile. In Cambridge class, we have Casper for eating all of his dinner at lunchtime and using his manners, and Jessica for having a positive attitude towards her learning. She always tries her best. In London class, we have Alan S.O. for being a good friend to lots of his classmates, and Riley for having a positive attitude towards the memory game. In Oxford class, we have Tommy for consistently returning his homework and displaying a positive attitude to learning, and Marta for completing work at home while isolating, showing a positive mindset. In Lincoln class, we have Kobe for consistently having his yogurt every day, and Chester for Keegan for staying positive when times were tough. Well done to all the children as well. Give them a big hand. Excellent. Well, come on, Wesley. Come over here. Come here. Well, we're so proud of all the children, aren't we, Wesley? We are. We are. What a fantastic week we've had. And all the Christmas decorations are going up, and there are so many exciting Christmas activities happening. Did you enjoy our special Christmas performance by all of the teachers? Did you? Oh, I know we enjoy doing it for you as well. Now, you need to remember, we have the Christmas raffle. Tickets are still on sale until next week. The end of on Friday, we're going to have our drawing. And remember, parents, we do have the grown-up one with the grand prize being worth £300. And in there is a brand new HP Chromebook. You want to buy your tickets, don't forget about that. And we have a very special show coming up, 3 actually. We have a special pantomime for all of the children. Yes, a pantomime. We're going to have a pantomime. And we have the Key Stage 1 and the early years Christmas performances that we're going to be watching over the next couple of weeks. What a fantastic time we're having. And Wesley's going to be staying with us, and he's going to be watching. You never know where he might be. So, always making good choices. Have a good weekend.